I said, I'm learning all kinds of stuff this week. Now, I'm gonna be a farmer after this.
In the rain yesterday, my nephew and I got this post braced up. We didn't have a 3/4 inch drill bit, so we do have one today. My dad and Landry were supposed to be here an hour ago. We'll see what time they actually show up. But today we're just hanging the gate. So I'd like some feedback from you after watching this video. What do you think? Would Landry make a good farmer?
Hey! I didn't see your cart truck here. I said, man, this is great. I'm gonna text Rob, say there's $1 waiting on a dime up here.
From the time I was knee-high to a short goat, I was on the farm. My dad changed my diapers on the farm, and every time he came out, I wanted to come with him. One of the things that I loved the most about the farm when I was a kid is the chance to learn new things. So one of my goals today was to give Landry the opportunity to learn how to do some things that maybe he doesn't get a chance to do at home just because his home is not a farm. Hey, go get the bag chair out of the back of my truck and bring it right here. I don't want him sitting in the shade. He's the one that decided to come out here this late. He can sit in the sun. Here, you want to do this?
You can do it.
Why?
I don't know. I don't want to mess anything up.
Huh?
I don't want to mess anything up.
You're not going to mess it up. If you mess it up, he'll buy another thing. It's better to mess it up trying something than not.
I don't know how to do this, Rob.
I'm going to show you how to do it. Don't worry about it.
Man, I'm gonna be a farmer after this.
All right, do what now?
I said, I'm learning all kinds of stuff this week.
You're going to be a farmer after this? All right, so this, okay, first of all, this drill is more powerful than you realize.
Yeah.
And it'll twist your arm. I mean, it'll actually, if that gets caught, it'll actually see, it'll turn that up and you can smash your fingers or whatever else. You got to squeeze the trigger while you're, oh, see, that's what I was saying. You got to hold on to it because it'll twist your.
Maybe you should just do this.
No. Just because you don't know how to do it doesn't mean you can't do it. I must say, sometimes I'm not sure how valuable the stuff we learn on the farm is. Sometimes the things we learn are not all that great.
Why don't you just do this, Rob?
Because it's about you learning and doing. We had several problems on this gate that I'm not really demonstrating here. For example, in a few minutes, this drill bit will get stuck and it'll slow us down for almost an hour and a half. However, it is always important to have fun in the moments where things do not go very well.
It's hard.
I wouldn't get your face in the way, it'll knock you in the head. Don't ask me how I know. Nope.
Okay.
So that's why you want your dominant hand to do this. This hand, you just lean in and push.
Yeah,
But don't put, you had your face up here, and if your face is up here, this will come around and knock you in the head. And if you're like me, it may take you 10 or 12 times for that to happen before you actually learn not to do it. So now, let's pull it. See? See how...
Uncle Rob.
All right, Lander.
I had my phone.
Now, come on. You can't start something and not finish it. Then you'll think you can never do anything. You're fine, and if it gets stuck again, we'll get it out. Do you have any concrete blocks in your truck? I figure if we put them in his pockets, maybe that'll give him a little more balance. One of the greatest benefits, though, for me growing up on the farm is the level of self-confidence and the ability to figure out how to solve problems and stick with them. Today, I'm really proud of Landry. He was trying to do some stuff that is much harder than it looks on camera, but he stuck with it despite some of his uncertainty, and he continued on. I'm really proud of him. Now, if you haven't noticed, as we're about to set this gate up on this metal hinge that Landry's hammering in now, you'll notice that it does not fit. I did not line up the hinge correctly, so we're going to have to come back and fix that later. Just one more clip of Landry. He wanted to come look at the little pigs, and Ferdinand came up while we were out here yesterday in the rain. And Landry, I kept telling him to pet Ferdinand. He wanted to be petting him. And Landry thought I'd trained Ferdinand to attack people that tried to pet him. It's actually funnier than it looks. But anyway, Y'all take care. What do you think? Does Landry have what it takes to be a farmer? Let us know in the comments below. Take care and have a great day.